So in this simple tutorial, we will be discussing ARM64 assembly. What this program does is simply prints hello world to the standard output. Um, there's a lot of good reference material online to learn this assembly language, but essentially what we do is we perform a couple moves and we load hello world into X1. Next, we do a couple more moves and make a syscall, and then this is essentially it. So what I'll do is I'll copy and paste this code and put it into the description along with the files to assemble and link. So we can see down here in the bottom of the screen, if I assemble, link, and then run hello, you can see in the bottom left, it prints out hello world. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.